What I have here is a Honda generator, a model from the 80s, and when the fuel is turned on, the carburetor float must be stuck or the valve is leaking. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but there's plenty of fuel just pouring out. So what I did is looked up the model number on replacement parts, and I got the model number for a new carburetor. They only sell genuine ones and they're pretty pricey, so I went to Amazon and ordered a Chinese copy of one. Comes with the gaskets and will replace the carburetor. For starting any servicing, you want to disconnect the spark plug. Next, what we'll do is remove the airbox cover here. There happens to be a wing nut on the bottom. Your air filter out. Take our air filter screen out, and then there is 2 bolts that we're going to remove. These are 10 millimeter. Now we'll take our air filter box, drop that down, and then we'll take and remove our fuel line here. Okay, I hope the camera can pick this up. There's a very delicate spring here on the very bottom. We want to take and pry that off. And then we can wiggle this carburetor off of these studs and then unhook our governor linkage. Okay, so Honda uses a little spacer system here. Take that off. There was a previous attempt to seal this up, and they put some RTV on there. I'll go ahead and clean that off. We'll put our new gaskets on there along with our new carburetor. Okay, I went to reassemble it, and I noticed the gasket that came with the carburetor was the wrong one for the insulator. So I took and made one out of a cereal box. I'll go ahead and slide that on there. And put our insulator on there. The next gasket, slide that on. That's upside down. There we go. Then I will attach our fuel line to the new carburetor here. And we'll slip our governor linkage in there and slide it on the studs. Next, I'll take our little spring, put that that in the little hole underneath the throttle linkage there. And ensure that it's on the governor. I'll take and attach our fuel line. Next we'll take our air cleaner gasket there, put that on there, and our air box on there. Our two 10mm nuts. And we'll tighten those down just a little over snug. Okay, turn the fuel on. Got the choke on. Go ahead and start it up. If you have one of these models, what you want to do is ensure your little governor linkage is not bound up by this tank bolt here, because it'll be erasing the engine. So this will be bound up and the throttle will be stuck wide open. So lastly, we can put our air cleaner back together, push our little thing in there, that on there, hook that on the top, and put our wing nut on the bottom. Okay, many a times when you have sticking float in your carburetor, gasoline runs into the crankcase, so you want to double check your oil, make sure it's not diluted by gas and overfilled, and fortunately this is still good, so otherwise we would want to change the oil.